This is the internal structure of a leaf. It's called Palisade layer. Then this part is what we call vascular bundle, and the vascular bundle is made up of two parts. The upper part is called xylem, vessel. Then the other one is concentrated. It's called phloem, vessel. So xylem vessel is for transporting water and mineral salt from the soil or from the roots to the leaves. Then phloem is to transport manufactured food in the form of glucose from the leaf to the various parts of that plant organ. Maybe if it uses roots to store food, then that glucose will be transported to the roots. And if that plant uses stem as the storage organ, like sugarcane, then obvious the glucose will be moved or transported from the leaves to the stem. So this part here, up that point, is called spongy mesophyll layer. Is called spongy mesophyll layer. That is this point. This one is lower epidermis. And this one is upper epidermis, or this one is upper epidermis, and this one is lower epidermis. Then there's this space here. It's called stomata. It's called stomata when there are many, but one is stoma. Then that these cells here painted blue or decorated in blue color. That one is what we call gland cell. They facilitate the opening and closing of the stomata. So this one is now what we call the internal structure of a leaf. Now, so that you cannot forget, the first layer is called cuticle. The second layer is called upper epidermis, and the third layer is what we call palisade layer. The fourth layer inside here is what we call spongy mesophyll layer. It looks like a sponge. It has some gas inside them. So this one is what we call vascular bundle. This is the spellings of vascular bundle. We also call it vascular tissue, and it has two parts. The first part is xylem, vessel. The second one is phloem. Then this one is lower epidermis. Then this one is cuticle. This one is also a cuticle on the lower side of the leaf. Now, let me take you through the function of each part of that internal structure of a leaf. Cuticle, this is the thin, waxy and waterproof layer that covers the surface of the leaf. It protects the inner tissue of the leaf from mechanical damage and prevents the entry of germs into the leaf. Again, the cuticle also reduces excessive loss of water and ensures that water is available for photosynthesis. The second part is both upper and the lower epidermis. The function of the epidermis is the outermost layer of the leaf is the epidermis. It is present on both upper and the lower side, as we have said, of the leaf and are called upper epidermis and lower epidermis respectively. It is thin and transparent to allow light to pass through a short distance during photosynthesis. Gland cell. These are special bean-shaped cells found in the epidermis, mostly on the lower leaf surface. They have chloroplast and are able to carry out photosynthesis. They control the opening and closing of the stoma. Palisade layer. This is a layer of cells found beneath the upper epidermis. It consists of cells closely packed together with the long axes perpendicular to the surface. They have numerous chloroplasts, which are the sites for photosynthesis. So in short, my people, remember that chloroplasts are found in Palisade layer. That's the position where most of the chloroplasts are found. And these chloroplasts are responsible for photosynthesis. Spongy mesophyll layer. This is the layer of cells located between the Palisade layer and the lower epidermis. The cells are irregularly shaped and loosely arranged, hence creating large air space between them. This allows circulation of air containing carbon dioxide that is used during photosynthesis and oxygen released during photosynthesis. Vascular tissue. The vascular tissue is actually found in the veins of the leaf. The vascular tissues are composed of xylem and phloem, which are responsible for the transportation of water and foods, respectively.